No one noticed at first. The morning began like any other. Birds flew, cars moved, people rushed to work. The sun was in the sky, just like always. But somewhere in the universe, something impossible had happened. The sun was gone. Not exploding, not fading. Gone. And Earth didn't know yet. For 8 minutes, life continued as normal. Children laughed on playgrounds. Planes crossed the sky. Shadows stretched across buildings. Then, the light vanished. Not slowly, not gently, instantly. Day turned into night. Streetlights flickered on. People looked up. And where the sun once burned, there was only a black hole of sky. No warmth, no glow, just darkness. Panic spread faster than the cold. Phones lit up. News channels shouted. Scientists stared at screens in silence. Because they knew something worse. The sun didn't just give light. It held Earth in place. Without it, Earth broke free. Our planet was no longer circling anything. It was falling forward, into deep space. A city-sized spaceship, carrying 8 billion passengers with no destination. Within hours, the temperature began to drop. Wind felt sharper. Breath turned white. By the end of the first day, frost covered windows in summer cities. Plants bent and blackened. Trees that once drank sunlight stood frozen in the dark. Animals searched for warmth. Oceans grew quiet. Weeks passed. Snow fell in places that had never known winter. Rivers slowed. Clouds disappeared. The sky stayed black. Stars shined where the sun once ruled. People gathered underground. Subways became homes. Bunkers became cities. Nuclear lights replaced sunlight. For the first time in history, humans lived without a day. No sunrise, no sunset. Only artificial mornings and endless night. Months passed. The oceans froze from the top down. Ice spread across seas like a white scar. Ships were trapped forever. Life in water vanished first. Forests followed. The world became quiet. No birds, no insects, no rain. Only wind and ice. Deep beneath Earth's surface, near burning rock and lava, some humans still survived. They lived near heat that came from the planet itself. Children were born who had never seen the sun. They learned about it from stories. They were told it was a star that loved Earth. It kept us warm. It made the sky blue. But to them, it sounded like a myth, a glowing god from an ancient age. Years passed. The air began to freeze. Oxygen fell like invisible snow. The sky lost its breath. The surface became a desert of ice. Earth looked like a dead moon floating through the galaxy. The moon followed it, like a ghost. Two cold stones drifting together through endless night. Millions of years later, Earth still moved, through star systems, past glowing suns, but never close enough to be warmed again. Our planet became a traveler, a frozen memory of a world that once lived. And somewhere in that darkness, the last message ever sent floated through space. It said, "We were warm once. We had oceans. We had light. We had a sun." So tomorrow morning, when sunlight touches your face, remember this story. That light crossed 150 million kilometers just to reach you. It keeps your oceans liquid, your forests alive, your heart beating. Without it, Earth becomes just another silent rock lost in the dark.